Compass Group Australia saw going back to 2004 that we weren't going to do this alone. Predominantly our remote business is based here in Western Australia. We saw the opportunity to work in with our existing supply base. We use a lot of local suppliers. Our suppliers have seen good benefit working from that, not just supply into Western Australia, but some of the suppliers we're working with here in Western Australia have now been able to export their product around Australia into a variety of other businesses that we have here as Compass Group Australia.
Zimboulis supplies for the Gorgon project predominantly processed fruit and vegetables. We also supply a small amount of whole produce, which have been individually inspected to again meet the quarantine requirements. We really only go into process production no further than 48 hours in advance to make sure and maintain the freshness of the produce. Gorgon would significantly increase the growth of Zimboulis both from a processing point of view, also from an infrastructure. Obviously we have to put quite a lot of infrastructure changes in place, process plant changes, so we can see a considerable growth to the business, a number of employees and obviously financial benefits as well.
Specifically, the work we're doing for Gorgon is the preparation of chicken pieces that are fully cooked. We don't use any preservatives when we manufacture the foods for Barrow Island. The Gorgon project is very significant for Australia, as I believe it's the biggest resource project ever embarked upon in this country, and the infrastructure that businesses like Cannon Foods in supplying this project has to put in place will not only service this project, but that infrastructure will supply Australia for many, many years to come.
The brief was very short. The brief was no factory food. The brief was quality. That was the main objective. So we did work very closely with our customers' nutritionists to achieve all of these nutritional targets. So our aim is basically to produce home-cooked food, like the food that your mother used to cook, basically.
The actual products we make have been quite different, and they've allowed us to springboard into different markets throughout Australia with that type of production that we probably wouldn't have invested into if we hadn't been for the Gorgon project.
Our role at the Food Consolidation Centre is to receive in from all of our sub-suppliers the food that is to go to the Barrow Island, and we do the quarantine inspection on those goods to ensure that whatever is going up to the island is quarantine compliant.